Welcome to Math Easy, friends. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the relation of radius of a circle with its diameter, circumference and area, and we have discussed some problem sums also, objective and word problem on c is equal to twice pi r relation. In this video, we will discuss about some applications on a is equal to pi r square. Now here is a table of length unit I have drawn. It will help in conversion of units. Now some fill up the blanks are here as objective type questions. Number 1, you see, if radius of a circle is 1 meter 4 decimeter, then area will be, we have to find out the area. So friends, we will use the formula A is equal to pi r square. Here r is given 1 meter 4 decimeter. We will convert into decimeter. So we will multiply by 10. It is length unit, so we will multiply by 10. In square units, we will multiply by 100. So is equal to 22 by 7. R is 1 meter. We will multiply by 10. 4 you will add. It will be 14 decimeter into 14 decimeter. It will come 616 square decimeter. So friends, we can give the answer in 616 square decimeter, but we can give it in more proper form. So we can write it, we'll divide by 100, so it will be in meter form. We can write it 6.16 square meter, or we can write 6 square meter, 16 square decimeter. So that way we can solve. Next is that if diameter of a circle is 1 meter 40 centimeter, then area will be, we have to find out area. Diameter is given. So friends, same way we will solve. Diameter we will find out, we will convert into centimeter unit from meter to centimeter. 2 steps forward, so we will multiply by 100, 140 centimeter, then we will divide it by 2, we will get the radius, and the same way we will solve. Now here you see third one. Find the radius and diameter of a circle if its area is 38 square meter 50 square decimeter. Area is given. So the same formula, area is equal to pi r square will follow, and area is given 30 square meter 50 square decimeter. So meter decimeter square unit will multiply by 100. It will be 3850 square decimeter is equal to pi r square. Now we know that unknown will come to left hand side, or we can write pi r square is equal to 3850 square decimeter, or 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 3850 square decimeter, or r square is equal to, it will go to other side with division operation. So friends, it will be divisible by 11, 350. Now one thing I want to say is that to find out the square root, so if the factors we get in easy way, so the sum will be simpler. So what I will do, r is equal to plus minus, negative sign will ignore because it is length. So 350 means 35 into 10. So you see the factors we are getting so easily. 5 into 7, 10, 5 into 2, 7 is there and 2 is there. It is square decimeter. So if we now cancel, so friends, from 2515 will come out, from 2717 will come out, and from square decimeter will come out. So we will get the radius as 35 decimeter, and if we multiply by 2 we will get the diameter. Okay, you see, a cow is tethered to a post by a rope so that she may graze over 38 square decameter, 50 square meter of a grass plot. Find the length of the rope. Now first here that if we consider the post is here, suppose the cow is tied over here and the end of the rope is here. This is the rope, end of the rope is here. So if we see that, friends, the area is given. Yes, area of grass plot is given. So friends, the cow can cover maximum boundary length. If we see, that will be circular in shape, is not it? So it is a sum of area circle related sum, so that we have drawn, that is why circle. This is the rope, and the rope will be the length of the radius also. So we'll use the same. A is equal to pi r square, and as we have solved in the previous sums, that way we'll follow. Here area we will convert into square meter. It will be 3850 square meter, and we'll find out the length of the radius. That will be the length of the rope only. Okay. Next sum, you see what is the area of the biggest circle which can be drawn inside a square with a side of 21 centimeter. So biggest circle we have to draw inside a square. So the circle will touch the square in 4 points. These are the 4 points of contacts. The side of circle, the side of square is given 21 centimeter. Now if these 2 points of contact we join A and B, suppose through the center, we'll get the diameter of the circle, and this diameter of the circle will be same as the length of the side of the square. So you are getting diameter here is equal to 21 centimeter. So what we'll do, we'll find out radius, and then A is equal to pi r square. This formula we'll use. We'll get we have to area of the circle, that will follow. Next sum, you see the area of a circle is 616 square meter. The circle area is 616. Area of circle is given 616 square meter. Find the area and the perimeter of the square inside the circle. The diagram is given. So we have to find out the area and perimeter of the square inside the circle. Now area of circle is given. So from this we can find out, from this formula only, r only. So we will see that radius will come 14 meter. Then we'll find out the diameter. Here the name of the square is A, B, C, D. So it will touch the circle. It has touched the circle in 4 points. So if we join A and C, we will get one diameter. Another diameter we will get if we join B and D. So these two are the diameters of the circle, and friends, these two are the diagonals also of the square. So there is one property that the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to each other. So these two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So we are getting each angle here 90 degree. And another property, we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So from that property we are getting that these angles are 90 degree. So all these 4 triangles are congruent to each other. So now we have to find out the area of the square. So friends, if we find out the area of ABD, this triangle, and we multiply by 2, we will get the area of the square, because these 2 triangles are congruent to each other. So what will be the area of triangle ABD? So that we have to find out. How will you find out? It is half into base into height, we know. So here you see base is BD base, and base is the diameter also of the circle. So base will be 14 multiplied by 2, 28 meter, and height, this is radius. So half into 28 into 14 we will get the area of triangle if we multiply by 2, because this area, or 2 times we add, because these two are same triangle in area. So we will get the area 392 square meter of the square area we will get. And now we have to find out the perimeter. So for that we have to find out the side of the square. Okay. So friends, again we will see the triangle ABD. If we see triangle ABD, if we consider, you see AB is one side, AD is another side, and BD is third side. This angle is 90 degree. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle. So from the property of right angle triangle we can write side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So we can write and AB square plus AD square is equal to BD square. This is the property of right angle triangle. So AB is side of the square, AD is side of the square. So we can write side square plus side square is equal to, BD is hypotenuse, but this is the diameter also. So we can write 28 meter square. Okay. So friends, from if we solve this, 2 side square, therefore 2 side square is equal to 28 meter into 28 meter, and that way 2 will go to that side and we will find that at the end square root we will get the side, and if we multiply by 4 we will get the perimeter of the square. That will come as 56 root 2 meter. You all, I request you to try at home now. Thank you. That's all today. Next video we'll discuss about semicircle. Its perimeter and circumference. Thank you.